Disclaimer, this video is, and all other videos on this channel are not intended for children 13 years and younger via the COPA regulations. Please monitor your child's viewing habits and history on YouTube and all other websites. Thank you. Hey everyone. Well, somebody up here learned a new trick. Not really a trick, but something that I want him to learn. It's called step down. And right here, I have some sunflower seeds and some pumpkin seeds. And what I want him to do is come down from where he is down to the ledge. So I'm going to show him the treat, and I'm going to put it down here, right there. Step down, step down. Can you step down, please? Step down, step down. Come on, Bubba's. You can do it. You did it last night. You've been doing it for a while. Step down. Treat. See this? Down here. Step down. Step down. Watch. Tonight he won't do it. Are you coming down? You want a treat? Do you want a treat? Can you step down? Step down. Hey. Step down. Can you step down, please? Step down. Step down. Step down. Good boy. I think this is something that all bird owners should teach their birds how to do. That way, if by heck and happenstance they would get away from you, you might be able to get them back if they know the word step down. Do you want more? There you go. I've been practicing this with him for several days. And it's something that I taught Sweepy also. Do you know what that word means? What does step down mean? Does it mean come down here? Yeah. Are you a good boy? Yes, you are. You're such a good boy. He's getting better about letting me be a little closer. Yes, it's slow, but it's working, and that's all that matters. Hi, Bubba's. Did you drop it? Yeah, hang on. Let Mom get it. Whoops. Okay. Now he's back up here again. Let's try it again. Baby, treat. Treat. Step down. Step down. Come on. Step down. Step down. Step down. Treat. See this? Do you want a treat? Step down, please. Step down. Come on. You looking for one of these? Here. See? Step down. Step down. Step down. Step down. Come on, you can do it. Yes, you can. You've been doing it all week. Step down. Step down. Step down. Good boy. Step down. Step down. Step down. Step down. Oh, step down. You're all right. Step down. Step down. Good boy. Good boy, Bubba's. Oops, you knocked the seeds off. I've been trying to get him so that we have a working foundation to go from. Do you want a treat? Mom, get a seed. Do you want a treat? He's actually taking things from my fingers and not taking my fingers. Thank you. Come on. Come on, you can come over here. Come on. No, I know. That ledge is in your way. The shelf is in your way. Come on. Gotta come down. Hey. Gotta come down. Come on. Step down. Step down. Here. Step down. Yeah, I know. He's trying to figure out how to get beyond the platform here. And he knows that he can't do it. He hasn't figured out how to just beak it and grab it and flip him, get himself up. Come on. Come on, Bubba's. Come on. Baby. Hey. All the way down. Come on. You can do this. You can do it. Come on. Come on, Bubba's. Come on, Bubba's. He just hasn't figured out that he can go to any of these places and get himself up on the shelf again. Good boy. Good boy. There you go. You got it. Come on. Yeah, you're all right. You're all right. Come on. Come on, Bubba's. But this helps him to learn to explore his cage, which he has been doing. Now, I noticed last night that he was up on the platform right there. There you go. See, you did it all by yourself. Good boy, Bubba's. Good boy. Teaching him has been interesting. Good boy. Do you want a treat? Do you want a treat? Here you go. You're all right. But this is also teaching him to explore his cage a little bit. You want Mom to move it? Here you go. Just don't bite me. Every time that he learns something new, it's always with a treat. Yeah, sometimes treats end up in the bottom of his cage, but he's learning. So there's no such thing as you can't teach an old bird new tricks, because he's learned how to come from here down to here, around through his cage, up and back to the perch. Very good, buddy. Yeah, you did a good job. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening. Bye.